Hello my alien students, welcome back. So this is part 1.2, continuation of the course. So the drafting course, isn't it? Yeah. So let's do one example. This is the example. So what I'll do is I'll copy this into the drawing. Okay, so just keep it here. Beautiful. Okay, so we want to draw this drawing. Can you see it? Okay, this is my aim, to draw this drawing. 1 minute. Okay, can you hear me now? Yeah. So how do we do it? Think, just take some time, think about how would you draw this drawing. Okay, listen, just want to tell you that I think this will be easier for me to teach you on this. Yeah, just a second. Sorry. Okay, first thing you need to see is the dimensions. Okay, see, first thing he's put diameter of this circle is 2 units. Okay, here also is mentioned radius 3 means 3 circles. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circles. Okay, but one thing you don't understand is that diameter is equal to 2 radius formula. That means, can we say radius is 1 means diameter is 2? So this is also diameter 2. Diameter 2. Okay, sorry, I think I should get my digitizer back. Okay, so first we draw this circle, the first circle. Which circle? This one. What's the dimension? At 5,4, diameter 2. Okay, just a second. Okay, so what we'll do is 5,4 circle, 5,4. Okay, diameter 2 units. This is done. Okay, let's say this is done. Which one? First circle is done. Now we draw 3 more circles. Think, how would you draw the circles, or how would you draw this drawing? Many different methods are there. One of the easiest methods, in my opinion, is to draw circles, 3 circles. He's given 3 circles, and he's given dimensions, no? Location. Okay, so can I say this one circle center is at 2.5 units at the right and 2 units at the left. X is 2.5, Y is 2 units. Okay, so can we say this circle is at 2.5, 2. Remember, always X first, Y later. Okay, this is the first coordinates, and the dimension of the circle is 2 units. Similarly, this one, 2.5x, going down. So can we say this one's circle is at 2.5, comma, minus 2. Similarly, this one is straight, minus 3.5, comma, 0. That's it. The drawing is over, actually. Okay, so let's start. Just a second. I think can you hear me? Yeah, all good. Let's start. From center. Sorry, center. Oh, copy. Why you want to draw again? Okay, instead of doing this way, just teaching you some tricks here. Copy. X is how much? 2.5. relative, huh? Okay, at 2.5 minus 2 at minus 3.5 comma 0. Okay, then what you're going to do, you learn something called as tangent. Perpendicular 90 degree. Sorry. So we finished these lines. Now we just need to do something called as trim. Done. Okay, so this is a small part. Hope you understood something. See you all in the next class. Take care. Okay, we learned many things in this. What we learned? First we learned relative coordinates. Now we learned something called as relative coordinates, isn't it? Then we learned something called as tangent. Tangent object snap. Then we learned something called as perpendicular. Then we learned trim. Okay, if you didn't understand, let me know. We'll make a separate video on this. I think object snap, you'll have to just focus on this. Very, very important. Okay, anyway, take care. See you all in the next class. Bye.